So the next topic is least common multiple. So first we need to know that what is multiples. Multiples are the basically the number that we will get from multiplying that number by any whole number. Like we need to find the multiple of 6. So 6 into 1 multiplied by any whole number 6, or 6 multiplied by 5, that is the whole number 30. So these are the multiples, like 36, okay, 42. These are the multiples of 6. Means how you will find the multiples, just multiply that number with any whole number, you will get the multiple of that particular number. Your tables are the multiples of that particular numbers table you are writing. Okay, now least common multiple. So if you are finding the least LCM of two numbers, what we need to do, two methods are there. First is prime factorization and another is the tree method, or we can use the other method, but in this chapter only we have to talk about the prime factorization method. Okay, so least natural number that is divisible by both the numbers, that is called the least common factor. So suppose we have taken the 24 and 56, two values are there. Okay, now we will find the prime factorization of these two values, that is 24 2 12 2 6 2 3 3 and 1. Now the next is 56 2 28 2 14 2 7 and 7, that is there. Okay, now how you will solve? You will write the things like that: 24 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3. Okay, now 56 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 7. First we need to make the pair, the common, like this. Now the LCM of 24 and 56, take 1 1 from each pair, 2 1 2 3 times 2, then the remaining numbers you need to multiply here. Remaining numbers multiply as it is, they have not pair. So 2 3 times 8 8, 3 into 7, 8 into 21, 168. So 168 is the least number, least common multiple for these two numbers, that is exactly divisible by these two values. Okay, so 128, the LCM, that is the value which these numbers divide exactly, both the numbers. Okay, so 160, this is the method for two numbers. If they have asked for the three numbers, so what you will do? Okay, let's take one more value, like suppose here we have given 64 also, we have given 64 also, then we will find the 64 number factor, prime factorization 2 32 2 16 2 8 2 4 2 2 2 1. Okay, now we will write 24 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3, 56 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 7, then 64 2 cross 2 cross 2, then again cross 2 cross 2 cross 2. Okay, see here, listen. Now we will make the triplets common in each factor, because the three values are there. Now no pairing is there or no triplet is there. If there is a pairing also, means in two numbers there is a common value, then we will make the pair also. Here we are making triplets, so we will make the pair also. Okay, so LCM of 24 56 and 64 is 3 times 2, then 3 7, then again 3 times 2, so that is 8 into 3 into 7 into 8, that we know that's 168 into 8. 8 8 is a 16, 8 8 is a 64, 8 6 is a 48, 6 54, 8 1 is a 8 5 13. So 1344 is the least common value that exactly divide these three values. So that is the least common factor for this particular chapter. Okay, now moving to the one more relation, that is relation between LCM and SCF. So if A and B are the two numbers and their SCF and LCM is given, so there is a relation between them. SCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the numbers. That is the relation between them. Suppose SCF is given 4, okay, and the values are given. A is 24 and B is 28, and we need to find the LCM. So we can use this formula for finding the LCM. So 4 into LCM is equal to 24 into 28. Now for finding the value of LCM, we need to divide this value from here. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are. Now 24 sevens are 168. So that is the LCM of these two values. Without any prime factorization or long division, we can find the LCM and SCF if SCF and given and these two numbers are given. Okay, so that's it for this particular chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Here our chapter ends, and we will meet in the next video with the new chapter. Okay, that's it. Thank you for